Good morning students. Today we are going to start introductions to basic 256. First of all, we will open the basic 256. Click on the start button. Here click on the basic 256. Here you can see the basic 256 window. First of all, we will learn this environment. This is a title bar. It gives the information about the program in which we are working. Next, this is the editor. White part, it is the editor. It is defined as the area where we write our program basic 256. Next, it is a toolbar. Here you can see the new, open, save, run, debug. This is a toolbar. It is used to give commands. Next, here you can see the text output area. What is text output area? When we write a program in the editor and run a program, the output appears in this area. Next, this is a graphics output area. What is graphics output area? This is an area where graphical elements like shapes and pictures that you create are displayed here. Now we are type simple statement like say hello, good morning. This is our simple statement of program. Now we are run this program. Here you can see the run button in the toolbar. Just click on them.
Hello, good morning.
If you have speaker on your laptop or computer, then you can hear the voice hello, good morning. Next, how to save this program. Here you can see the save button in the toolbar. You can save program. Next option is click on the file menu, and here also you can see the save button. Just click on them. Here you can see the open dialog box. Give the file name here. Good morning. Here you can see the basic 256 extensions is just like .kbs, and click on the save button. Now how you can open this program? Here you can see the open button in the toolbar. You can click on them. Otherwise just go to the file menu, and here you can see also open button. Our program is here. Good morning. Just click on them and open it. This is our program. I will again run this program.
Hello, good morning.
So you can hear the voice of hello, good morning. Next, we take the new file. Here click on the new button. Okay. Now we are using the print statement. First of all, what is print statement? Print statement is displays the output in the text area. Let's suppose if I am type print double quotes hello students. Now I will run this program. Here you can see this is the as it is statement is displayed in the text output area. अगर आपने यहाँ पर डबल कोट्स लगाए हैं प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट में, तो आपको एज इट इज जो भी लिखा है यहाँ पर वो ही आउटपुट आपको टेक्स्ट आउटपुट में दिख जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, now we are using print statement with semicolon. With the command of print statement, double quotes, Here I am giving the value 100 plus 200. Double quote over and run this program. Here you can see the 100 plus 200, but not displays the addition, displays the result. So what you can do? Just type here print 100 plus 200 and here give the semicolon. Now you can see the output 100 plus 200 is equals to 300. Now we are giving the comments in this program. What we are using command for comments? There is a hash symbol and rem statement. First of all, I will use rem statement to give a comments. Here you can see rem. This is displays the statement as it is. Now here I will use hashtag for giving the comments. This will displays the result. Result of addition. So here you can see, to giving the comment you can see you can use the rem statement or hash symbol. As you know that hash symbol is used to write comments, you can also use a rem statement instead of a hash symbol to write comments. Comments actually make a program easier to understand by the programmer. Now I will run this program. ये जो स्टेटमेंट्स है दोनों, जहाँ पे मैंने रेम लिखा है या फिर हैशटैग लगाया है, वो दोनों लाइन है वो बेसिक 256 से वो इग्नोर करता है. So it is used for given the comments. So students, that's all for today. In the next video we will doing programming in basic 256. Thank you students for watching the video. If you like this video, please share कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए and like कीजिए. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.